Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to set up Gmail templates. Gmail templates are pre-written emails that you can use to save time and streamline your communication. They can be used for recurring messages, such as standard acknowledgement if you receive application forms, frequently asked questions, or for sending job applications. To activate Gmail templates, click on the gear icon, select Settings. Then click on the Advanced tab, and select Enable under the Templates section. To create a template, click on Compose. Write the email content you want to save as a template. Click on the three vertical dots in the bottom right corner of the Compose window, and select Templates. Then, select Save Draft as Template and name your template. To use a template, click on Compose, click on the three vertical dots, select Templates, and choose the template you want to use. The content will be automatically inserted into the email. To delete a template, click on the Compose. Hit the three-dot menu button. Select Templates. Go into Delete Template. Select the template you want to get rid of, and confirm by clicking on Delete. That's it. Thanks for watching.